on Saturday morning. Really, it's a washout across much of England, Wales, southern Scotland, Northern Ireland. The rain does clear early on from Northern Ireland.
So today we're off to Seven Sisters. It's a really beautiful cliff down the south of England. The weather should be holding up. I'm a little concerned that it might just completely bucket down with rain, because if you may have noticed the intro, I was waiting to go out this morning and it just came down. So I waited an hour and now it's clear blue skies. So we'll see how long that holds up for. I'm wearing my husky jacket today because didn't know what the weather was going to be like. You know, I'd rather be out and enjoying the day than sitting indoors hoping for it not to rain, because, you know, it's the UK, it's gonna rain, it always rains. So you may have noticed I now have a windscreen. This is a Puig windscreen that I got off eBay. Definitely keeps the wind off the face and the chest, so it's a lot calmer to ride. The only thing I would say so far is it does bounce around a lot. You can see it like jittering up and down, which is kind of uncomfortable. It's secured in fine, everything's bolted down as you'd expect, but it just jumps around a little bit. Maybe that's normal, maybe I'm just overthinking it, but yeah, seeing it shudder like that is making me a little nervous. Things look like they can really move. I don't know what CC they are. They look like they're having fun. They're not doing any harm to anyone. I mean, this bike could easily do some wheelies, but yeah, I'm not that comfortable on it yet. To be honest, knowing me, I'll probably fall off. I don't plan on dropping this bike. It never ceases to amaze me how beautiful our backyard can be. Ooh, looks like we got a Harley up ahead. What a beautiful bike that is. Just sounds amazing. I think that's actually the first Harley I've seen down here, at least. They're all over the States, but I don't really see them that often over here. It's got such a guttural sound compared to the Honda. So this is Beachy Head. Sounds like the internet named this place. Okay. Getting to the Beachy Head, this is where we're stopping up for a bit. Paid and displayed. How the hell do you pay and display on a bike? Right, see you in a bit. Boy. Alright, love you, Panda. See you soon. Honestly couldn't tell you how windy it is up here. There's no visual markers, but just take my word for it, it's very windy. So windy, in fact, that I am so glad I've got this windshield. Just takes so much weight off the body, it's brilliant. Just do a cheeky little photo in here. Oh, I forgot this is gravel. Oh, this isn't fun. Oh, that looks like a nice little spot right there. This little screen here, this Puig, it's a fantastic little attachment. I think it was 100 quid. I went for the transparent one. There is a black one. I much prefer the transparent. The black one just felt a bit too much, you know. Plus I can actually see the road, where the black one was just really tinted. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way this bike is riding. So I'm just gonna keep making little mods and changes. I want to get some new foot pegs, maybe change the handles out, maybe get some mirrors for the handles. Jump this down. I noticed Life of Birch changed this and like moved them down. I was looking at it and I kind of like that idea, so I might do that change as well. Might get a mesh guard for the front of it, maybe change the wheel. I've seen some like really like chunky off-road tires and I loved the way that looked. Beautiful bike, absolutely love it. It's fantastic to ride and I've just enjoyed every minute of having it so far. Let's get out of here. I love taking these little side roads when I'm riding. Like, main roads are fine for getting places, but the side roads is where the actual, like, the stories are made. You know, you got these amazing little back routes, and oh look, it's just so many sheep. Hey guys. Wow, there's a huge flock of them. This bike is just, it forces itself to, like, once it gets to high gear, it's really reluctant to let go of it. Like, it's in fifth. Oh, it's in fifth now. Good. It's 30 going uphill in fifth, and it's chugging. Like, look at the RPM. It's down to the 2000s. Like, you don't need to be that low, bro. You can be in fourth. I won't be upset. You can downshift. It's okay. Just look at that. I keep going onto gravel. I need to stop doing that. It's too much fun. I mean, look at that view. That's beautiful. Let's grab a quick snap. It's too good not to. I just love it. It's so good. All right. Every time I pull away with the bike, I always have that moment of panic, like, oh, I didn't strap my seatbelt. What seatbelt, Dan? There is no seatbelt. You don't need a seatbelt. Just look at that view. I really hope the camera's catching that. It's so good. Oh wow, how long has that been on for? Oh, I did the amateur thing where I had the indicator on. How long was that on for? Please tell me that wasn't on for long. Do 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 do. Oh. Little parking brake. Alright, let's give it the 5. My favorite. So easy to fill this thing up as well, it's just super quick. There you go. 15 quid. Perfect. That's a full tank. Just a quick ride home. Oh, I need to forget about that. There you go. It's so weird. There's a parking brake. Who puts a parking brake on these things?